Can I take the pictures? It's so beautiful. Oh, may chicken. May chicken feet sila. Ang gaganda naman ng arrangement nila. Oh. Picturean mo na ako. Oh my God. Wow, what's this one? Ano kaya? Ano yung kaya? Rose? What's that? Oh my God. It's also yummy. So yummy. Ito din. Salad din nila. Oh my God. Ang cute naman. Ang cute naman. Here yan. Wow. Itong sashimi.
I want this.
Magsushi na lang. O, sige. O, sige na. Honey, oh. Picture mo na lang, anak ko. Oo. Gusto na. We'll just have a look. Maaga pa naman. Oo nga, seafood still. Dessert dito naman. Dessert tail. Oh, oyster. Oh my God. Ha? Ang gaganda naman. Pictures man ako. Ako na lang yung picture. And that's it. Kakain na tayo. Wow, ito yung gusto kong meat. Oh, let's go na. That's it.
I got pictures of the food, so you can just have a look.